Hi guys, welcome to How Reset Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi POCO X6 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when games not visible on your Google Play Store. If you have the same problem as mine, the first step we must go back to the main menu and tap on our photo on the right corner and settings, where we have family and parental control. As you can see now we have PG3. To download game and visible game as Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter our parental control pin, and there we can change it easily by tap on the PG16, confirm by understand and save. And that's all. We can go back to the Mobile Legends game, which is visible right now. See you soon, bye!